High Stakes Cupcakes. Narrator, Susie. As soon as Mrs. Ann announced plans for the contest during the school-wide bake sale, I knew my toughest competition would be Samantha. Samantha was known for her amazing cupcakes, and while my cookies were also famous, my cupcakes didn't quite match up to hers. It was important for me to win. My mom had discovered this amazing culinary camp online a few weeks ago, and ever since I had dreamed about going. The only problem was that each participant had to be accepted. I knew if I won the bake sale contest, I would be a shoo-in. A few days before the bake sale, as I was on my way to sign up for the contest portion of the event, I overheard Samantha talking to her friends about how badly she wanted to win. When I signed my name to enter the contest, I noticed that Samantha's name was the very first one. Oh great, I thought to myself. She's going to think I just signed up because I heard her talking about it. Samantha and I never really got along. She seems to think that I don't like her, but that's not the case at all. We actually have a lot in common. I've tried to talk to Samantha in the past, but she's always with her group of friends, and they never include me in their conversations. I quit trying when I saw that this would never change. The day of the bake sale arrived, and I was a nervous wreck. I got to the school early so I could set everything up. I signed in and was shown where my table was. Of course, it was right next to Samantha. She's going to think I planned this so I could sabotage her, I thought. I didn't want to make myself any more nervous than I already was, so I concentrated on setting up my cupcakes. I was so focused that I almost didn't realize Samantha had arrived. I quickly glanced up at her and wanted to smile, but she was staring at me so intently that I just looked away and didn't look her way the rest of the day. As the bake sale winded down, the winners were announced. I couldn't believe it when they called my name for first place. I was flabbergasted. I knew winning this competition would really increase my chances of getting accepted to the culinary camp. I also knew that because I won, it would make it harder for Samantha to get in. Even though she didn't win, she deserved to go. Her Red Devil cupcakes were delicious. I was starting to go over and congratulate her when she came to me. Samantha was really nice and congratulated me too. We exchanged recipes and waved goodbye. I was crossing my fingers that we both got accepted. Maybe then we could become friends. The day after I got my acceptance letter, I walked into class and looked for Samantha. I didn't want to say anything to her about the camp in case she hadn't gotten her letter or hadn't gotten in. I didn't want to hurt her feelings. Thankfully, we both got accepted. I knew having someone there that I knew would make the camp even better. Samantha and I may have gotten off on the wrong foot, but we ended up becoming lifelong friends.